from the company Maygyrain is solder. 0.6 millimeters, 50 gram of solder. A minimum of 361 degrees Fahrenheit for the solder to melt. 63 by 37 tin with rosin inside the solder of the diameter. Check online for further details about the diameters and dimensions of the solders you are looking for. We're setting up the iron for 367 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 110 volt soldering iron or a 65 watt USB soldering iron, we'll set up and use our soldering iron. On the table we have a socket switch, a light, electronic USB board, and a lighting board, along with XT60s and DIN plugs for soldering. As we set up for soldering, we're going to set up for the XT60s. We're going to solder the XT60. We're melting solder, additional solder on the joints, as you can see. Just simply melting and removing. Solder is easily removed. Easy repairs. Easy to tin. And create new solder points on a lighting board. The solder wire 6337, high purity, no wash, tin lid rosin, cord wire with 2.2% flux for your electronic soldering needs, workstation solder irons, and more. Replacement solders for existing solders, thin, small diameter for all those electronics, easy to use. Heats up in a matter of 367 degrees Fahrenheit minimum to your soldering iron adjustable temperatures. I hope you enjoy your soldering. If this is the solder you are looking for your soldering needs, enjoy your product if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing.